plotting for years to take over the world.
Well, that's why they plant their acorns to like stock up for later.
Here's the thing. I have had so many evil squirrels in my lifetime. We used to have squirrels in like our yard in my nana's house, and they'd throw acorns. Like anytime you'd walk up, it would be like a shower of
What
acorns.
if squirrels were carnivores?
No, they probably are. They probably are.
Yeah.
They probably like.
I actually heard that squirrels eat mushrooms, and mushrooms people will cook to taste like meat. So what if squirrels are carnivores and they just like the taste of mushrooms because it tastes like meat, and they can't lead on to the fact that they're going to eat us once they take over the world?
Ooh, that's deep.
Dang. Well, one time a squirrel tried to take my sister's vanilla wafers at the Grand Canyon, so I would not.
What if Margaret is working with them?
She probably is working with the squirrels.
Oh my God.
Well, you're gonna have to explain it. You'll have to explain it.
Squirrels always have those evil looking eyes.
Yeah. And she's like, I don't know, she's kind of like lower to the ground, like vertically.
Vertically, she's vertically challenged.
So-
I feel like the squirrels would take pity on her and she'd be inducted
Yeah,
into
and she'd be like closer.
If she speaks their language.
She's able to talk to them.
You should be recording this entire conversation.
Yeah, we are.
Oh.
The squirrel's like, Okay, so what if squirrels took over the world? Like, what would actually happen though? We haven't talked about that.
I know there's like a leader squirrel. They're very orangish red, and they're like,
Oh, for sure.
and he's
No, they're
full of acorns. And he's like at a podium, like.
He has the most acorns.
He's like every president.
Imagine them what if they were charging at us? They're like charging, you just like get charging of squirrels.
They like pick us up.
Yeah, you can like hear their little feet pounding.
They have like their own flag.
But it's Margaret's face.
Yeah.
Yeah, Margaret's
Like, our leader.
Margaret is the leader.
I don't know. Like what?
But they like, okay.
What if the squirrel's taking over the world and we're trying to stop it, but it's like secret government agencies that are trying to stop it,
So,
and
like,
it's costing a lot.
doing
Yeah, it's costing a lot of money, and that's why gas prices are
Okay,
going
for
up.
sure. Would they? Okay, but would they like develop like societal like? Would they have like culture?
Oh, they have.
Would they
Would
have?
that be like
classes.
Ayn Rand anthem?
They have classes. They have like classes of squirrels because
Like the caste system of squirrels?
they have like I said, there's like a leader of each like little neighborhood tree. And then when the leader dies, it's like a whole new selection. They all
Skull
like fight.
Mafia.
Yeah.
So it's like
And
the
they-
start of World War II.
Squirrel mafia.
Was it World War I or World War II?
Oh.
The Ferdinand whatever
Yeah,
died?
World War I. Franz Ferdinand.
Franz Ferdinand
It was a
died.
squirrel who did it.
It was a squirrel that did. What if a squirrel killed Franz Ferdinand and started World War I, which subsequently led to the leader? No, it's like Remy from Ratatouille on Hitler, and that's what started World War II.
Remy the Rat. What if the
There's
movie
a squirrel
Remy the
controlling
Ratatouille
Hitler?
was actually
Yes.
about squirrels? What if they were like squirrels undercover as rats? And that's why we all despise rats, because it's a
Actually
deception.
squirrels. They're
Yeah.
actually squirrels.
But they're actually
It's
squirrels.
rat propaganda. The squirrels work for Margaret and also against rats. Okay,
I think that really sums it
I think that
up.
sums it up.
Guys, this was the
This
Sussy
is Sussy
Bakas.
Bakas.
And
Our
this
take
is-
on squirrels.
Yeah, join in next time. Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm Marilyn Monroe. But actually, the story of how it got here, it's like the Laura, you know, the truffula trees. This is actually a truffula tree, but it's also kind of like that little tiny truffula tree in Horton here is the Who. So there's like the Who's living on it, and that's why they're trash.
Oh.
But I'm actually saving the planet by pointing out that they're there, so someone can actually come and destroy them.
Oh.
But that's like only if you're not on the side of Horton. Like if you're on the side of Horton, you'd be like, "Yo, save the Who's." But you know.
I see.
So yeah, this is my trash. Oh, and there's also like tropical poison ivy somewhere here. But yeah.
Yay!
Trash.
Are you recording?
Yes.
Okay, guys, I'm here with my piece of trash. I found him at the park. Listen, how he got here? He walked all the way here, all the way from the Premier High School, Southern Illinois, Edwardsville High School. He walked just to make it here, just to see us. And little does he know that I have to get rid of him to go to a better place. Surprise! This is just a prank. There's a camera.
Oh my God, you're on actually What Would You Do today? So you kind of failed the test, but that just kind of proves her point.
I want the prank now.
All right, so now the Earth is a better place.
Woo! Woo! Our piece of trash today.
So, wait,
Actually, cop that license plate.
Yeah,
This is actually the Connor's car 3000.
it's kind of dirty to me. And two, so funny story about this, how it got here. So this actually gave a ride to Abigail's piece of trash, Owen, and it gave him a ride here. But it didn't have wheels because he walked.
Yeah.
It was like their legs were through the wheel holes.
Like Flintstones.
Yes, it's like those Flintstone cars,
Yeah,
or like those
yeah.
Little Tikes cars you had when you were a baby.
And this is an electric car. So we actually are on the squirrel sides now because if you don't need to pay for as much gas anymore. So we're actually helping the planet now.
Yeah.
The squirrel, see, the government made the gas prices go up, so we're kind of tired of them.
Yeah.
So,
They're trying to take down the squirrels. We're for the squirrels now.
yeah.
So yeah, that's how we're saving the planet. And this is a piece of shit.
And we're removing it by pointing out how bad it is and that it needs to be stopped.
Just awareness in and of itself is saving the earth.
Honestly. All right, thanks for coming.
No. No. My brother could do this really well. He knows the whole ABCs. No.
An alien crawled out of you.
I burped on my burps earlier.
It's actually the squirrels that are actually causing you not to be able to.
I can't burp anymore. The soda's making it harder, I think.
You could, okay, I got it. I can't. Okay, now you gotta do the end part of it. The end part of Lillian. This was a co-op effort. It was my soda, so.
No, I can't.
That was it. In.
You did that.
Thank you.